to the online sessions of Renewable Energy Engineering. Myself Praveen Jinjala from Algen Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we will discuss about the one example from solar geometry, and then after we will discuss about solar radiation measuring instrument. Means instrument used for measurement of solar radiation. In previous session, we also discussed about the one example in solar radiation geometry. Means different equations, as like the what is declinations, what is hour angle, what is day length hour, or what is local solar time. So let's start our session. This is the example number 2. Given data is calculate the local solar time and declination at Bhopal. Here the given latitude and longitude for Bhopal. Bhopal latitude is 23 degree and 15 minutes, while longitude is 77 degree and 30 minutes east at 12:30 Indian Standard Time on August 8. We are generally considering all the year as a non-leap year. So we have to calculate two numbers of day. Also calculate sunrise, sunset hour angle and day length. So the by step we have calculate the different angle. First of all, we have to calculate the numbers of day, or first we have to calculate the local solar time. Equation of local solar time is standard time plus or minus 4 into minute into longitude at a reference with meridian and equations of time. We also discussed all terms in last lecture. Indian standard time is given 12 gem 30 means 12:30 hours minus 4 latitude 82.5 degree minus longitude at a with reference to the meridian is given 77 degree and 30 minutes. And equation of time we can also calculate same as like the given equation of time. In previous lecture we also discussed how to calculate equations of time. So the answer will be 12:04 means local solar time for Bhopal it will be 12:04. Numbers of day on 8 August. So n is equal to means for January 31, February 28. So if not specify any year, so we are considering as a non-leap year. So the 8 August numbers of day will be 220. Angle of declination means 23.45 sine 360 into 284 plus n divided by 365. Inserting the all value, we will get angle of declination at a Bhopal minus 15 degree, 57 minutes and 36 seconds. Next step is calculate the day length on 8 August. So equation of day length is 2 into 2 by 15 into cos inverse into minus 10 pi into 10 delta. So the inserting all value as like the in given data, latitude and longitude or declination, we are getting answer 9.81 hours. Same is like sunrise hour angle, we can also calculate the hour angle by this equation, cos inverse into 10 delta into 10 pi into 180 divided by pi. We can also directly calculate, or first of all we can calculate the hour angle, then after the multiply by 2 by 15. So it will be day length on 8 August. So answer will be 97.05 degree. Means it is the sunrise hour angle. Same as like the sunset hour will be same but in opposite direction. So we are considering minus 97.05 degree. Now we will discuss about the solar radiation measuring instrument. Means instrument used for measurement of solar radiation. There are the basically two types of solar radiation measuring instrument used, as like the pyranometer and pyrheliometer. Pyranometer means it is device used for measurement of total radiation. Total radiation means direct radiation plus diffuse radiation. So by utilizations of pyranometer, we can measure the total radiation, and we can also measure the some amount of diffuse radiation. Basic construction of pyranometer is, first of all, hemispherical glass, inner surface will be black surface, then after the given the one reference point, and it will be works on thermocouple, means first junction will be black junction will be hot and bottom junction as a reference will be at a cold junction. So the by temperature difference we can generate the EMF, and we can directly correlate with solar radiation is equal to EMF, and we can directly measure the solar radiation by utilization of pyranometer. This is the basic practical model of pyranometer. In pyranometer, first glass is hemispherical, then after that its construction, top plate as our hot junction, bottom reference as our cold junction, and by temperature difference we can generate EMF. This is the leveling screw, because the pyranometer should be at a level, at a exact horizontal plane. Same is like we can improve the output of pyranometer by multi-junction. At the top, we are receiving solar radiation, means that junction will be at our hot junction, and bottom junction we will consider as a cold junction, means it is the reference junction. So the by combination of two junctions, by utilizations of thermocouple, we can measure the EMF and we can directly correlate with the solar radiation. So this is the simple types of instrument for measurement of solar radiation. Second is pyrheliometer, means device used for measurement of only direct radiation. This instrument only for use for measurement of direct radiation. It cannot be measure diffuse radiation. This is the simple construction of pyrheliometer, simple types of tube. So we have to require 2D tracking system for direct radiation. Whenever solar radiation received at a top of pyranometer, so it will be acceptance angle. Solar radiation will be passed only for in straight path. And inner surface also we are paint as a black color for absorb the diffuse radiation. So the at a end of instrument only for beam radiation will be received. So same is like the pyranometer, by utilizations of thermocouple, one junction is a hot junction and other junction is a cold junction. So by utilizations of temperature difference, we can correlate with EMF and we can measure the solar radiation. This is the practical model of pyrheliometer. So by utilizations of pyrheliometer, we can measure the direct radiation. So the both instruments are most important. Mostly we are generally utilizing pyranometer for total radiation. While for measurement of intensity at a particular time, we can also measure the pyrheliometer. But in pyrheliometer, we have to require for 2D tracking system. Sunshine recorder. It is also measured for the day length for sunshine hours. At a center, spherical lens, and we can insert in parabola shape paper strip. Whenever solar radiation strike on one side of sphere, so it will be transmit and concentrate at a point. Whenever sun will be changed position or angle will be changed, so according to the concentrating point also changes, and paper strip becomes as a dark line. So we can also directly correlate with the scale. We can directly measure the sunshine recorder. This is also one type of advanced instrument. This is also at a center, spherical lens. We can also directly generate the electricity, or we can also by scaling, we can also measure the hours of sunshine. This is the comparison between solar radiation measuring instrument as like the pyranometer and pyrheliometer. Pyranometer generally used for total radiation, or we can also measure the some amount of diffuse radiation. while the pi heliometer only for use for measurement of direct radiation. So we can also only for use for direct radiation measurement. And this is also a comparison between the pyranometer, pi heliometer and sun sign recorder. Mostly we are utilizing pyranometer for measurement of solar radiation.